Hello everyone, you're probably wondering what this is. It's a origami helicopter spinner. So if you throw these in a high place, off a second floor or off the top of a building, it's just gonna helicopter spin toy. So quick and simple, let's get started. Single sheet of paper like usual, color side down. Halfsies we go. Like always, geometry, pretty fun for origami. Get the tip, match the tips, hold the center down, and if your paper's cut correctly by the store, it'll fold perfectly every time. So, there we are. Corner closest to you, straight to the center. Crease that down. Bottom edge to the center. Or if, like you just saw, the paper's misbehaving, you can do this, where you fold the tip up first, and then you fold it to the center. It'll keep that from running around rampant on you. Repeat on the other side. Corner to the center, and bottom to the center. Should look like a double-sided necktie. Next part, have it facing you lengthwise. Bottom corner of this square to the bottom corner of the opposite square. As you can see what I'm doing with my fingers here, I'm kind of rolling it in because the paper got a little thick. It likes to pop up on you. Make sure it's behaving. Crease it really good. And it'll look like that. Open it up, repeat on the other side. Roll it in. Flatten it down. There. Open it up, flip it over. Right in the middle there's a crease. You're folding the lines you just made, the creases you just made, to the center, both sides. Same thing, using your finger, roll it out on the sides right here. Make sure it's all nice and flat. Keep it from puffing up. Now when you get this, to crease it, lift that flap up and then crease it down. It'll keep that wing nice and happy. So repeat on the other side. Look like this. Flip it over. The main part of this is just to get this part up here to the center. Now while you're doing that, pull the corners of this with you so it'll pull down. Fold it in half. As you do that, the edges will open up. So once again, this to center, and while you're doing that, you'll see these two edges open up. You're gonna flatten them. So center, and make sure the triangles and the sides right here line up. That will make it square, perpendicular, parallel, whatever you want to say. So it'll look like that when you're good. So same thing on the other side right here. Once again, line right here to the center. And it'll start opening up here. You could grab the corners here and just slowly fold it down. Push the triangles out, make them all line up. And it should look like this. Now, open these things up so they're facing like that. Right now you have everything equal. It's not going to spin that well. So to have this thing spin better, pick a corner, any corner. I like to pick the corner to the right. Watch what I'm doing. Push this corner in. You see this popping out? Make this line down here. Fold it to the center line. So you make a triangle. So it'll do that. Originally it's this. You got the square, fold that corner up. You see how it pops up that blade? Turn it over and repeat on the opposite end. Just make sure you pick the same sides. This will make the opposite ends have a diagonal. So spin a lot better. Before and after, you can see there the two wings do have an angle already. You can also jazz it up a bit too. For that triangle that you folded outward, fold the one next to it inward. It'll keep that blade from going anywhere. Kind of locks it in. So you get a triangle like that. One out, one in. So repeat. This one out, this one in. And there you go, pretty much there you have it. Another thing I also found out, you can also, you see how there's a triangle right here? You can flip this part over so you make a thinner triangle. So, give me a second, let me show you that. For the triangle that you folded out, so here's this, come on, it's fighting me, be good. There's the square, I folded it out to a triangle, and then pinching the inside, I fold it over and I made it a longer triangle. So it even gets more structural strength and it wants to hold that shape even better. So it'll last better and fly better. Same thing. There's that outside corner, pinch the inside. Oops, there it goes. Pinch the inside. Get that little edge on the outside, fold it over and in half. And I made it into one long triangle. You can see it's pretty heavily, it's already started to spin in like what, a 6-inch drop. So there you have it. Like always, any question, comments, let me know. Have fun. Thank you.